Seelam and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I converted this Amazon kurta in this pretty dress. I really like the detailing that I made over here, like little ruffles, strappy thing, tie the back and frills over here. But most importantly, what I like in this dress are these two pockets. Any which way, if you also like this dress and want to make one for yourself, just follow the tutorials. But before going for that, I have a humble request for you to subscribe to my channel. I really need your love and support. We have crossed 15,000k and really thankful for that who have already subscribed to my channel. But if you're new to my channel, I really want you to join me. If you like me, of course. Also, if you can shower your love on my Instagram account, I will be very grateful for that. Now without much rambling, just move on to the tutorials.
I got this kurta of XXL with the intent to refashion it. Stitching quality of this kurta is poor, and what can you expect for 199 rupees? However, I like the print and the fabric. It's cotton. I opened the side seams and removed the sleeves. I folded front and back on top of one another. Here I am using good fitting kurta and marking the sides. Marking the necklines I want. If you want, you can take the shoulders along with the bodice, but I want straps, so I will be cutting it. To mark the straps position, I am marking 5 inches down from the shoulders. I took 36 inches length. Since the kurta I marked was with the margin, I am marking my true size on it as a guideline while stitching. I will be using this leftover fabric for the frills, and I am taking the maximum width I can get out of these leftover pieces. From the remaining side leftovers, I took out fabric for 2 straps and few bias strips for piping and small frill details on the bodice. I picot the frills, made shoulder straps and prepared the piping. I have joined all the cuttings to make this strip so that I can add little detail over the bodice. I don't want the same neckline for back, so I am cutting it straight. I will attach the piping on the necklines, join the shoulder straps and add frills. I am using gather foot for making frills. So here I have done everything except for pockets. I am using sleeves for making pockets. I am specifically using the size of my mobile because that will be the main reason I will be using these pockets. To attach the pockets, I will open little side seams on both the sides. By any chance, if you would like to know how to attach pockets, make frills or straps, do let me know in the comment box. I will make a detailed video on it.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to another video, and please follow me on Instagram account. I also create a lot of content over there. Also, if you happen to make this dress, do tag me on your post. I would love to see it. See you guys next time.